Hey people, who's back, hey? Well, a bit of my XC70 stuff. So I bought those suspension knobs, wishbones and everything for the front, and I'm planning to put these bad boys in. And I was wondering, how do you take the bushes out without a press or a vise or anything? So the easy way is torch. Now I'll show you. So what you can do is make sure you have gloves and a hammer. So what you do is you don't have to set fire to it. You just gently warm it up from both sides. When it starts sizzling like it's like baking or something like that, then you know that you are doing great. It doesn't take actually really long to burn this crap out. Oh yeah, and make sure that you don't run out of gas. Hear it? There's a little sizzling going on. So now what you can do is kaboom! Bush no more. Came out. And then just clean it up with a. You can even cut the inside out, and that's it. Done. If you're putting bushings in, sometimes you have to keep the outside a piece of metal, but I'm not sure about these. These are probably gonna go in like normal. Yeah, nice bit of kit. Cost you an arm and a leg, but all in all, I think it's gonna be good. Which way? This way? Yeah, this way. Lovely. Now wait for him to cool down a bit, and that's it. There you go. Shorts, yeah?